us know, Sarah, when you can see any type of bright light, please, as you're walking. Give us a sign if you can see any type of bright light, please.
I was burned.
When were you burned? Or does she walk towards that, touch it, and get burned?
Are you afraid to go to that because you were burned before?
Thanks, sir.
I know. That was in a prison a long time. Like it.
Are you walking, Sarah? Can you at least let us know you're walking and trying, please? Give us a sign that you're walking and trying. That's all we're asking.
It creeps behind you.
Crap up there too.
We know there's many spirits all over us right now.
Is that what keeps you here?
Next time we'll have to get Jim down here. Jim has crossed over many spirits, successful in the past. Maybe he can break through. But Sarah, until you get past the guilt and the regret of the past, we can't help you move forward. As you said, you need the strength, the courage. We all want to help you, but you have to take that first step for us.
You may have regrets, but you've done nothing wrong. And nothing or no one can hold you back.
Close.
Are you close to the light?
Close to us?
What are you close to? Oh, you are close to the light? Sarah, is it a very bright light you're seeing? Wow. Thank you. Sarah, as you get closer to this bright light, look and listen for family members that will be calling your name. Can you do that, Sarah? Can you get close? Let us know. Okay, thank you. When you're close enough to see family members, you're close enough to hear family members, keep walking towards them. Don't look back. Sarah, can you hear voices of your family members? Are you getting close, Sarah? Get close enough where they can reach out and give you a hug, they can greet you. And as soon as you get close enough, Sarah, I promise you, they will embrace you and they will bring you into the light. So keep going, Sarah.